Salam! Welcome back to episode 2 of Engineering Drawing Basics. Today, we're unlocking the power of orthographic projection, the key to converting three-dimensional objects into two-dimensional technical drawings. If you've ever looked at a mechanical part and wondered how to sketch all its sides, well, this is your answer. Orthographic projection means representing a three-dimensional object using multiple two-dimensional views, usually the front, top, and side. Each view shows a different face, drawn as if you're looking directly at it, without perspective. Think of it like taking photos of each side, no angles, no distortion, just true size and shape. Imagine placing your object inside a glass box. You draw what you see through the front, top, and side panels, then flatten the box into a sheet. The result? A clean layout of three main views. Front view shows height and width. Top view shows width and depth, and side view shows height and depth. Pro tip, always align views properly. Top above front, side beside front. So, there are like two major projection methods. First angle projection, which is mostly used in Europe, Asia, and Africa, means the object is between you and the projection plane. Third angle projection, used in the United States, flips that. The projection plane is between you and the object. They actually produce different layouts, so, always check the symbol on your drawing. By the way, the first angle symbol is a cone pointing inward, and the third angle symbol is a cone pointing outward. Let's apply what we learned. Here's a real-world object. Notice how its front view shows height and width, the top view reveals the depth, and the side view adds the missing dimensions. Now it's your turn. Just pick a household object, sketch the three main views, and don't forget to use construction lines to keep things neat. Great job! Now you've got the core skill every engineer needs, orthographic projection. Next time we'll explore dimensioning. How to size your drawing like a pro. Oh, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment with your favorite object to draw.